Question. P.S. If 243 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 81 to the power of y, what is the value of y in terms of x? Solution. Fifth of the 7 properties of exponents. One of the properties of exponents is the reciprocal of a fraction can be created with a negative exponent. So, 1 over a to the power of m equals a to the power of negative m. Third of the 7 properties of exponents. One of the most important of the properties of exponents is when a bracket is removed, it results in the multiplication of the exponents. So, a to the power of m whole to the power of n equals a to the power of m times n. Equivalence of exponents. If the numbers with exponents are equal and have the same base, the equivalence of exponents can be implied when the range of the base a is a greater than 1. If a to the power of x equals a to the power of y, then x equals y. Now, we are given that 243 to the power of x equals 1 whole over 81 to the power of y. Let's take the left-hand side and get it in the same form of the right-hand side so that we can compare the two sides. Using the third property of exponents, left-hand side equals 243 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 5 whole to the power of x equals 3 to the whole power of 5 times x. Using the fifth property of exponents, we can get the reciprocal of the fraction on the right-hand side by using a negative exponent and also using the third property of exponents. So, right-hand side equals 1 whole over 81 to the power of y equals 81 to the power of negative y equals 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of negative y equals 3 to the whole power of negative 4 times y. Now equate this to the left-hand side. We get 3 to the whole power of 5 times x equals 3 to the whole power of negative 4 times y. Per the equivalence of exponents, since the bases are now the same, we can see 5 times x equals negative 4 times y. And we get y equals negative 5 times x whole over 4 equals negative 5 times x whole over 4. Thus, D is the correct answer. Answer D.